Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Vlogtober day 7? 7? 8? No, man, no, it's not. I think it's 7. Whatever. Let me check. Okay, it's 8. 8. We are out early today.
It's really not early.
It is early. 9 is early. It's 9:45. That's early.
Mariana out of school for a whole week.
For a whole week and a day. They got a fall break. She got breaks I wish I had in school. Like, seriously. And then gonna be right back out for Thanksgiving.
Crazy, dude. All they want to do is watch the phone. He holding the phone, watching her phone.
How that work? That's just straining the watch, honey. Man, what are you talking about?
Why he always get to hold the phone? Why she can't never hold the phone?
I don't know. Dry skin problems. Pop, let Ashley hold the phone. And you look at Boosie's phone.
He about to cry about
Look at Boosie's phone.
He about to cry about that. He about to cry about that, shawty.
It's like they can't go without him. They was never like this.
You ain't gonna bust this right.
Yes, I am. Right after this AMG. Bust another right.
You ain't gonna bust his left. You know this is technically making a straight.
Right.
Why you put the signal light on?
I don't know. I said right and still put my signal light on. Chick-fil-A type of day? No.
Okay. Put you on. Good job.
Okay, the lighting is gone.
Alright, we'll tune back in, y'all.
Alright, y'all.
Tune back in, stupid.
So, y'all, we at McDonald's getting some breakfast. And Ashton Marie talking about, I want that one beside that one, that sandwich beside that one. I said, what number is it? She said number 2.
Mommy! Mommy!
What?
Look.
Can you fix his car seat? What is going on? Y'all just do the most. Yeah, that one's $3.15. All my son knows is white. White.
Right. Rip it down.
Alright, that's enough.
What in the world? So the kids are finally playing at the park. They've been asking about 2 to 3 weeks now, can they come to the park? But it's been bad weather, change of weather, finally stopped raining. What? You gotta go bathroom. What you want me to do? Ain't no bathroom out here. If we leave, we gotta go home. What, Pop?
It's told you.
Stop running in this grass. Go over there.
Back at the bathroom.
No. Hold on, Ashton. Come on, Pop. You always gotta be the one to go to the bathroom. Come on, go play. Yeah, hold on. Whoa, shit.
Hey, mommy.
Hey, Bucci. Say hey to the vlog.
Hey,
Boy,
vlog.
yo, get over here.
Where you going?
Mommy, look at me.
Where are you going?
Hey, mommy.
Where are you going? Come on, get over here.
Come play. Come have some fun.
You said you about to go down the slide?
Woo!
No, son.
Oh, no. You don't feel?
I don't see it. 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 Yo.
Daddy, try the bumpy slide. Okay, Daddy, come here. Daddy, come here. Try this one. Daddy.
Can't do it.
You said you can't do it.
Tear this down, I'll stop the one.
Go ahead, try it.
Guys, I'm thinking. Do it, Daddy, do it.
I'm gonna break it.
No, you're not.
Hey.
Mommy, Daddy, do the monkey ball. I'm the best guy.
You can't do it. You can't do it.
Again.
The vlog looking at you. Say hey to him.
Hey, vlog.
Hey.
Daddy, you. And then
Come on, Pop, let's get on the monkey bars. What?
No.
Go get on the monkey bars.
No.
Go with Daddy.
No.
Why? She little nappy head.
This is too hard.
Say hey to the vlog, Ashton.
Daddy, let's
Huh?
get it. No, I will try this.
Tell your dad.
Damn.
Yeah, it's like it's really wet over here.
Oh, climb up here. Other side.
Huh?
Other side.
I'm trying to get Ashton real quick. Hold on.
Walk through here. Walk. Okay, now climb.
Mommy,
You said come on.
yeah, I made it. I made it. Something.
Okay, you trying to show me something.
Yeah.
The place that is finally dry, but the ground is still soaking wet. Go ahead. Show me you know how to go down. Go ahead.
Mommy, you told me this one.
I don't want to go down. Go ahead.
You can do it, Mommy.
You can do it, Poppy.
No, you.
No, you. You can do it.
No, you.
All right, go ahead. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! Keep going. You got stuck. You funny boy.
Mommy, come here.
You did it. You did it.
Try this one.
Oh shoot! I'm about to fall down.
Try this one.
You try. Go ahead. Go ahead on the slide. I'm gonna get you on the vlog.
Okay. Watch this.
1, 2, 3, go. Y'all need some baby oil for these slides. Go ahead. Come on, keep going. Can't lift all that weight up, can you, girl?
Hurry up.
Get up. Get up. I got it.
She like a brick, ain't she, carrying across that joint?
You on your own?
Belly for days.
No! How is you is up here playing?
It's too hard.
Hey.
It hurt my hand.
You alright?
Pop, come on.
I can't hurt it.
Do the monkey bars,
Stop
Pop.
being scared.
Go ahead. Go with Daddy. Go with Daddy.
You soft, yo.
I'm sweating. Okay.
Yeah. Y'all in a good bath tonight. You gonna hold the camera while I do it?
Do what?
Climb across. Can you do it?
No.
Go ahead. Climb across the monkey bars. I'm challenging you. I'm putting you to the test.
I can hold myself. I can't.
Mommy, watch this.
I used to years ago. Can't do it no more.
I don't believe
Go
it.
ahead.
Whoever does this best wins.
Whoever does the best wins.
Scared to do it
All
by
right.
yourself.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, get on.
Say hey to the vlog.
She said, "Oh, don't fall."
That girl neck sweaty.
Why you scared?
Whoever does the
Wipe
best.
your top lip. That girl's sweating.
I said-
You hot, sis?
Whoever do the best wins.
Alright, well, go
It's
ahead.
your
I'm gonna
turn.
break this.
It's my turn. I can't do it. You gonna do it?
Oh, no, I'm gonna break
Go ahead, Ashton. Mayana, she over here determined to come up this little wall. Pop, what you doing?
That's easy. I can't get up.
You can get on.
Bring it. You got it. You strong.
I don't know what it is about the outdoors and this camera.
I can't hold it.
Come on. Grab the bar. No, don't grab me. Grab the bars. Go. Keep going. Gosh, you pissy.
Ashton's scared. Ashton, you scared?
Come on. Slow. Boy, it's hot out there. I'm ready to go.
Yeah, it's hot as I don't know what.
We want to stay here longer.
I'm ready to Ashley. Hold on to this.
This is about to be a crappy vlog. I don't know.
Ashley, come here.
Trying to.
Come here.
I want to do it.
All right, come on.
Okay. I'm driving away. No.
I don't know if y'all can see this,
Shit, when you stuff on that black one,
but this is in the freaking mulch. The mulch at the playground. And then when you step on this,
grab it. Hold it.
woo, ain't not but water.
Hey.
Huh? Oh shoot. Yo, it's bright out here. You tried it.
I did it.
Puddles of water just in the mulch.
It looks broke. Your turn.
Pop, get over here.
We're here on the slide, and you stepping
step
right in the water. Crazy.
Grab it. Hold it.
I'm a spinner.
Look at you.
Ashley, you whack.
Let me take some.
You gotta hold it tight like Bootsy did.
Okay.
What is he doing?
Poppy, where you at?
Go.
Go sit down and do it.
You wanna get it again?
That boy going down the slide by himself, honey. He's not playing with him. You having fun, Poppy?
I'm screaming at you.
You was screaming at me.
Yes.
You funny. What, baby? You got it? Go ahead. Climb up there.
One hand on this side.
You got it? Honey.
Bye.
Bye. Honey, that sun beaming off that yellow skin boy. You going to the store?
Yes.
What store you going to?
Walmart.
Walmart?
Yeah.
You're funny.
I'm going to that store. You're coming again.
I'm gonna come in too?
No.
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 Bye. Whatever.
I'm not coming.
Can you climb up this one?
No.
Go ahead.
No.
Get up there and climb down. Be careful. Want me to hold your hand? Pop is funny.
Brave would have been doing backflips over here.
Hell yeah.
He probably would have jumped off the top of this.
What's that movie? The movie where the boy kept jumping up, the little boy kept jumping off the top bunk of the bed.
Oh, man.
I don't know what movie it was.
I don't know, but get your stuff so we can go.
Hey. Somebody get my purse and phones, please.
Come in the car. How do I get out?
Pop, you just as high as I don't know what. Got me going underneath here. Nigga, I ain't little as you. Darn. Got a bad back. He said he going up the slide. Not down. You want me to come up there? Alright, ready? Alright, I'm coming. Woo! Mommy might break this. Oh! I'm coming.
No, you won't.
I'm coming. Oh, my feet is sliding. Pa, I can't do it. I got on Crocs, my feet sliding. Nah, if I pull your hand, if you take my hand, I'm gonna pull you down. I gotta get down because my feet got wet in my Crocs. I don't care. You would have never came up here if I didn't tell your dad to come bring you all. So stop playing with me. Who you licking your tongue at? Come here. Come here, I said. What are you doing? Who are you licking your tongue at? Go slide on that slide and come on. Mayana, get my purse and my phones, please.
Can you catch it?
No, I said bring it. If I wanted you to throw it to me, I would have told you to throw it to me. What, Ashton?
I'm gonna go downstairs.
Bye, see y'all. It's hot. We all sweating. Let's go home and get in the. Oh no, you better figure it out how you get up there. Look at that. Everybody's sweating and y'all still want to stay out here. Get you out of jail?
Yeah.
Nope, you stand right in there.
Mommy.
Nope, get back in jail. Huh?
Look at my face. Look
Huh?
at my face.
I'm sweating.
You can't get me.
You lucky my feet sliding. You so lucky my feet is sliding. I got you. What? It's your dad's phone. Go give it to him. Get out of that grass. They ain't cut this grass. Get out of that grass.
I'm tired.
Right, come on. Come on, y'all.
Let's go.
Come on, Pop.
We're leaving. Come on.
Bye, Pop. See ya.
I don't want to come on.
Don't step in that. Walk on the grass.
Bye, Pop. See you later.
Woo.
Ew, those disgusting. I'm wet on my legs.
Be alright. We'll have to come back another day. It's hot, Pop. That's why I can never bring you nowhere. Bye, I'm leaving. I'm not playing with you. See ya. Say bye to the vlog. Show the vlog how bad you is. Whoa, it's hot. I ain't even did nothing. I'm tired. Dang.
My mouth is so hot.
She got it. What you mad? What you mad? I don't care. Come on, get in the car. It's hot. No. See, I can never take y'all nowhere because you never know how to leave. You mad? Sweating. Everybody's sweating.
Hot as damn. Yo, hot this morning.
It's 85. Damn, I feel hotter than 85. Look at this. Hot. Alright, y'all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. It wasn't much, but it's something for Vlogtober Day 8. We missed yesterday, but make sure y'all drop a thumbs up, maybe a comment below. But most importantly,
ain't no maybe. Do that shit. Get that algorithm up, shorty.
well, you heard it. You heard it from him first. And if you have not already, please make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. And we hopefully...
We had so much fun.
Y'all heard it. They had so much fun.
And John?
Hopefully we can do this again. Maybe somewhere else. But the reason why we went to this park because you never see nobody up there. So, Yeah.
That's another part right there, but it's closed.
Yeah, that one closed down. That's the one they talking about. Can you take me to the other part? No.
I'm grateful. I wish
Wait.
Swings out here.
Who said that? Honey, you can't chill at every part they got because they be doing some crazy stuff. Here.
I wish they had swings over here.
Is it open now or is it still taking around?
I think somebody probably took the tape down.
I ain't seen nobody go out there.
I want some.
Right, I ain't trying to go out there and... Nah, I still see all the tape. Somebody tore it down. It's like hanging on the fence.
Like what?
They gonna have the cops up there escorting us away. I don't got
So
time.
we going to get something to drink before we get in the house and then say, yo, we ain't got nothing to drink.
I mean, Dollar General right here, gas station.
Y'all got sodas in there, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you good?
yeah.
You gotta put it down.
So
Why
yeah,
are there 2 yellow lights and a green light? Look.
where? Oh, it's faded. You funny.
You got to put it down and drink it.
But yeah, we're gonna close this vlog out right here.
Put it down and
Might vlog something tonight.
Yeah, we might vlog something later tonight when the kids go to sleep. I don't know what we're gonna say. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. And as always, thank you guys for supporting and thank you guys for watching us on a daily basis. Peace.